Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Sam from Gettin' Corp Limited, and I have a very special video for you today. For new entrepreneurs, it can be challenging to decide which kind of business to start. This choice can determine the outcome of your future business's success, and the right path can depend on multiple factors like budget, time, scalability, and more. So let's get started. What is going on, everybody? Today I will talk to you about one of the best starter businesses that could net you some side money and also scale up to become a multi-million-dollar business. And the best part is that you can start this business as low as $200. This business is very simple, and anyone can do this. All you need is a pressure washer, some soap, and a hose. And what is this business? Yes, you have guessed it. It is very simple but highly profitable. It is called can cleaning. Now, the question is, why would anyone want their trash cans cleaned? Due to rules and regulations, some municipalities have dictated that all garbage need to be separated into different categories. These categories include compost, which is the green bin, recycling, which is the blue bin, and garbage, which goes in the black bins. Why can't people clean their own bins? Well, because they don't want to do it. Well, based on scientific research, we all know that global warming is real. And our modern science also states that your garbage cans get dirty and stinky over time. Yes, the sticky garbage can, science is real. Google is your best friend. Humor aside, people don't actually have time to do a dirty job. And some people are just generally busy and would rather have someone else do it. This is where you step in to add value to these people who are looking to get their cans cleaned. Before I continue, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would highly appreciate it if you do. Now let's continue. How can I start this business with only $200? Well, all you need is a pressure washer, which you can get it easily at your nearest hardware store. Home Depot sells these items from price range of around $150. If you are on a tight budget, you can just get some Dawn dishwashing soap. If you cannot even afford this, then just get your mom's dishwashing liquid. Haha! If you are truly serious about this business, then you can just get some Home Depot commercial cleaners. They are very inexpensive and will do a good job of cleaning those stinky cans. Now, how much can you make from doing this business? In your local market, hypothetically, you can charge $30 per can. If a household has 2 cans, then that is $60. You can also further make can cleaning bundle. This will include the blue bin, the black bin, and the compost bin for $70. With the proper equipment, this should not take you more than 15 to 20 minutes to do. If you do 3 sets of these bundles, that is $210 per hour. This may seem unrealistic, but it is highly possible. Let me explain this to you. A neighborhood would have several houses. You can take pre-bookings in a neighborhood and hit multiple sites per hour. With an hourly income of $210, you can potentially make $1,700 a day in an 8-hour shift. However, you may not see these types of income initially. For every starter business, you need to build a customer base. And now, how do we build that base? You can start by approaching family members and friends. You can also start by handing out flyers in neighborhoods and market yourself. You can even post your ads on platforms such as Kijiji, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace. My friends, there comes a time when an entrepreneur has too much income coming. And this is why you need to make your business legal by registering a business license. At Gettin' Corp, you can register your business and make it official with a unique name. Having a unique name for your business is very important, because your customers will know you by that brand name, and it will help you to build a long-term client base. Please visit our website. The links are in the description below. The best part about the can cleaning business is that it is reoccurring. This means that the client will come to you at least once a quarter to have their garbage cans cleaned. Once you have a big enough client base, you can also start by hiring people. As a business owner, you cannot be in 2 places at once. However, if you have people working for you, then you can serve more customers. Having people working for you can add some level of complications to your business. This would be the topic of people management. However, this is a topic for another video. As always, my friends, this concludes our video. If you like our content and want to see more, I would highly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And leave comments on your thoughts about this business. And be sure to check out our next video. We will talk more about how else you can make more money from that pressure washer and your mom's dishwashing soap. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.